Hello, my dear visitor. Here you get an idea about the entrance of Walter Mall, in their glowing royal blue and gold building that welcomes you. Please get a short overview, what you can expect. This is a short view about the stores inside. Also, the bank with ATM inside the mall, where you can easily open a new bank account. Quite convenient, isn't it? Take a look at this drugstore shelf, stocked with all your essentials. From hair dye to cough syrup and deodorant, they've got you covered. And here we see some of the vitamins with can serve to you from A to Z. Everything for your health, right? Luxury and affordable jewelry displays from cheap to real diamonds and gold. Elegant and inexpensive shoes for men, women, and kids on lit-up racks. Sunglasses for everyone in optical frames from different brands. Children's toys, dolls, cars, drones, teddy bears, and so on. Department store with clothing, towels, and kitchen utensils. Outdoor materials, backpacks, hiking sticks, clothings, tracking shoes. Indoor sports like treadmill, dumbbells, darts, tennis rackets, yoga mats. Electric fans, air conditioning, solar lamps, cables. Pet accessories for dogs and cats. Beauty stuff from nail polish, makeup palettes, to creams, etc. Office supplies, paper, markers, staplers. Come in and convince yourselves Walter Mall expects you. www.walter-mall.com. Come on, look around and take your 10% extra discount. Have a nice day. Goodbye.